all with the new topic in class 11, CONIC section. Are you all aware of the CONIC sections or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What are the CONIC sections? Could you tell?
Section of a cone.
Section of a cone. Why this is referred to a section of a cone? What are the section of a cone? Yes, tell. What are the section of a cone?
Circle, ellipse, parabola,
How do we get all the sections? How do we get all the sections? In different ways. Like I'm giving one example. One carrot is here. If I will cut this carrot in such a manner, I'm taking this knife as a plane in such a manner that this plane, this knife is parallel to the base of the carrot. So one of the section I'm getting. So what is the name of this section? So when we cut the cones using the different planes, okay? So different sections we are getting. So these sections are referred to as a conic section. So suppose I am not taking the knife parallel to the base, I am taking it as slightly thin. So another type of section I am getting here. What is the name of this section? This section is referred to as a. Can you give me some real life examples of the ellipse? Yes. Egg and what else?
medicine capsules.
Medicine capsules. Okay. And if we take include the base also in this plane, so which type of shape I am getting here? Yes, tell. If I am taking this base, what is the shape of this? Hyperbola or the parabola? So by cutting the cone, okay, with the plane, what we are getting a different type of section we are getting. So these sections are referred to as the conic section. So there are major four section of a cone: circle, ellipse, hyperbola. Now first of all we will introduce with the ellipse. Ellipse is a conic section that is formed when a plane intersects with a cone at an angle. Here we have one model. So what we are observing here, this is a plane and this is a cone. Now I am cutting this cone, not the plane parallel to this base, slightly some angle. So which type of shape we are getting here? Yes? Yes. So ellipse is one of the conic section. Now we come to the next one, the circle. A circle is a special type of ellipse where the cutting plane is parallel to the base of the cone. Now what is the position of the plane? Now this plane is parallel to the base of this cone. So which type of section we are getting here? Circle. Okay. Now the third section is the hyperbola. The hyperbola is formed when the intersecting plane is parallel to the axis of the cone and intersect both the nape of the double cone. Okay. Now what is the position of the plane? This is parallel to the axis of the cone. So two sections we are getting, one upstairs and other one is the downstairs. So here is one model of the hyperbola. Only one side is observing from here. So this type of sections are referred to as the hyperbola. And the last section is parabola. When the intersecting plane cuts an angle to the surface of a cone, we get a section named parabola. In this case, this plane, okay, is parallel to the slant height of the cone. Cut like that. So which type of section you are getting here? Parabola. Okay. Now I am going to show you some pics. You will identify which type of section is showing in this pics. Yes, who will tell? Ellipse. Now the next is parabola. The shape of rainbow is parabola. You have already done about the parabola in class 10. This shows the graph of a quadratic polynomial. Okay. And the next one is
Hyperbola.
And the last one? Now, this is an introduction about the circle. Now, there are few definitions. How you define the circle. So, what is a circle? So, don't say like that circle is a ring type of figure and anything else. So, circle is a set of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane. And now we have a fixed point and a fixed distance. So, the point that we will get, at a point that we get, they form a circle. The fixed point is referred to as the center of the circle and the fixed distance. So, we will do one activity in which I am taking, who will do this activity here? Okay. It will be done by you. What I am doing here, I am putting this name as the center, as a fixed point, and using this thread to define the radius of the circle. Now you rotate this pencil and just see which figure you get. Rotate it. Okay. So which figure you are getting here? Circle. So this length of a thread is a fixed distance, that is a radius, and this is referred to as the center of the circle. Here, how we form the circle. Now next type of shape section is parabola. So in this parabola, we have one fixed line and the fixed point. So but we have a fixed line and a fixed point. And the distance of the point from a fixed point and the fixed line always remains constant. In next class, we'll do one more activity in which we learn how to draw the parabola with the help of nails and the rubber bands. Okay? So the fixed line is referred to as the directrix of the parabola, and the fixed point is referred to the focus of the parabola. Now the next shape is ellipse. What is an ellipse? Ellipse is a set of points in a plane. The sum of whose distances from two fixed points is constant. Okay? And the set of all points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point in a plane bears a constant ratio less than to be their distance to form a fixed line in a plane. So the fixed points are referred to as the foci of the ellipse. So there is one another activity that we will do to draw the ellipse. What I am doing here, I am taking these two nails as a foci of the ellipse. Okay. And using this thread to draw the ellipse, I am taking another thread. Just wait.